In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage payment subscriptions in HubSpot using the Commerce Hub. HubSpot offers two primary methods to bill recurring revenue through the Commerce section, and these are auto-charge subscriptions and recurring invoices. Let's dive into what each of these means. Auto-charge subscriptions allow your customers to enter their payment details just once. After this initial step, HubSpot takes care of the rest by charging them automatically according to the schedule you set, be that monthly, annually, or at a different interval of your choosing. This method is convenient for both businesses and customers as it streamlines the payment process and ensures consistency in billing. On the other hand, we have recurring invoices. With this method, HubSpot periodically sends invoices to customers and they take the responsibility to make manual payments for each billing cycle. It offers flexibility and might be suitable for customers who prefer managing their payments actively. So, what do you need to get started? First, you must have a payment processor connected to your HubSpot account. You have the option to use HubSpot Payments or integrate a service like Stripe. Additionally, ensure that the commerce features are enabled in your HubSpot package. This is applicable for starter, professional, or enterprise tiers. Now, let's go on to create a subscription link. Start by navigating to Commerce, then Subscriptions. Once there, you'll click on Create Subscription, and here you'll have two avenues to choose from: a payment link or a quote. Using a payment link is preferable for flows that automatically charge clients. However, if your situation requires embedded billing or an official signature, a quote might be more suitable. Once you've chosen your preferred method, it's time to configure your subscription. Begin by adding the products or services that you're offering from your product library. Next, set the billing frequency to match your needs, whether monthly, annually, or any other time frame. Don't forget to specify the start date and any particular billing terms that apply. You may also decide to let the subscription auto-renew, or to set it with a fixed term alongside an end date. This is also the moment to consider adding potential discounts, pricing tiers, or perhaps one-time setup fees to really tailor your offer to your customer base. After setting these parameters, you'll want to preview how the checkout experience will look. Take a moment to check both desktop and mobile views to ensure everything displays as intended. After you've confirmed everything is in order, hit Create. You'll then be able to export a subscription link, get a QR code, or grab an embed snippet to use directly on your website or even in emails. It's handy to know that when a customer checks out using your subscription link, a subscription record is automatically created within HubSpot. This record will be directly linked to the contact, company, and any associated deal or quote in your system. Payments will continue as you've set forth, whether they're happening automatically or via invoice. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up and managing payment subscriptions within HubSpot. Whether you choose auto-charge or manage with recurring invoices, HubSpot offers a flexible and robust solution to fit your business needs.